Okay, today I'd like to continue our series of Vulnhub. The box is Panabee. To save the time, I have already imported into the VirtualBox, and the IP address of a target has been identified as 254, and also have already completed the Nmap scanning. From the Nmap scanning result, you can see there's several open ports like 21, 22, 25, and 80, and also the 100 and the 39 and 445, which is running Samba. So I think the next thing we can do is to do some emulation for the Samba service, and let's do it. And the tool we are going to use is SMB client, and specify the L as a parameter, and enter input. Yeah, we got the one share name as node, and let's go to this share. Node get node, and we can nothing else for the Samba service. And now we can quit and cat the content of the node. So dear Gopher, I'll just leave it here as a note. Sorry for the late response. The server will now backup. Here I think it means the command backup your files in your home directory. Go ahead and backup anything you like. Server will do it for you. Please delete this note once you've read for security measure. So I think the next thing now, the Gopher maybe is username, but we do not know the password for this username. And maybe we can use the Hydra to make brute force attack. Hydra, specify the username Gopher, and specify the word list. Lock word list, and we try to crack the FTP service. Specify the IP address of this target, and we wait for this to be completed. And at the same time, maybe we can open up another tab and go to our working directory, Panabee. Okay. Hopefully, we can get the password for the Gopher, and then we can log in into FTP and to see what information we can gather. Okay, we successfully retrieved the password for this username, Gopher, and now let's FTP into this target and specify the username, Gopher, and also the password, Spider-Man. Okay, and we got some information like bash history, status. We can get the status Okay, and print our working directory. So maybe here it looks like the home directory of Gopher. So what can we do is we can try to use the SSH to log in, and we can make directory and go to this SSH directory. At the same time, we can use the SH generate Gopher no passphrase. Okay, now we got the private key and public key, and we rename the public key as Gopher as authorized keys, and we can upload this file, put authorized, and now we can specify the private key, and also the username is Gopher, and IP address of the target. Oh, sorry, maybe we needed to remove this private key and then run it again. Yes, but permission denied. So maybe we cannot log in as private key. So we need to try other ways to break into the target machine. So as you can see from the note, you can know this note says the server will now back up your files in your home directory. So maybe there's some clone task running at the background, on the background, and the name for this script should be backup. So we can utilize this to get our shell. And the first thing we can do is we can create this script, shell script, and we can use the cheat sheet from this website, and we need to do a bit modification, change the IP address to our Kali Linux, and also I'd like to use my favorite port, which is 555, and we can copy, and we head over back to the Vim, and here, and write and quit, and then we can upload this bash script to the target machine on the FTP. Put, maybe we needed to go to the home directory. Yeah, put the backup. Yeah, no error. And then we need to set up the listener, and we wait for this to returning our reversed shell from the target. Because the target has some cron job running on the background. Okay, now we got the reversed shell from the target. We can check the ID, which is gopher. And also we can sudo to see, yeah, we can run this file, the Python 3. So we needed to check the privilege of this file. Oh, we cannot change the content of this file, but we can delete this file. So what we need to do now is we need to firstly remove or delete this file, and then we generate our own status Python script and upload this script to this directory, home gopher, and then maybe we can get the share of Jenny, another user. Okay, let's do it. We can, because we have already got this file, and we can, by FTP, we can remove this one. Yeah, no problem. And then here, maybe we need to open another working directory, Panabee. And we can first backup original file, and then we can generate or create our own status Python script status, and we needed to use the Python reverse shell. Yeah, here. No, not here. This is for PHP. So where is Python reversed shell? Yeah, here. Got it. And we can copy and paste it in here. And we can modify the IP address. So we needed to use another port like 66. And then, of course, we do not to use the C command. We just copy this part to this file. Okay, right, and quit. So now let's upload this status Python script by FTP, and at the same time we can first set up the listener. And we can put status. Great. And now we head over to the shell and run the sudo. But we needed to specify the username as Jenny. And we can run this. And we should get the Jenny shell. Oh, permission. We need to first give the file executable privilege. Stat copy and paste it here, and then let's run it again. No error. We should get the user shell of Jenny. Now we can make this shell interactive. Python 3. So we go to the home directory of Jenny user. Here you can see one interesting directory, tmux, and we also can cat the status. txt server is up, nothing useful. History, yeah, tmux, yeah, default attach. So maybe we can use the tmux to escalate our privilege to the root, and we can use this reference. Export environment variable. Okay, we got the root shell. We go to the root directory, list the content of this directory, and cat the proof. Okay, so it's done. We successfully completed this virtual machine of Panabee. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.